Every 100 years, a rare comet streaks across the night sky, and for one lucky soul, it unlocks the extraordinary power to speak with animals until dawn. Picture the cacophony of voices from the trees, the ground, and the skies, all eager to share their secrets with the chosen listener. From the whispered fears of a mouse to the bold tales of a soaring eagle, the world is suddenly alive with conversations that have never been heard by human ears before. As the hours tick by, the Chosen One becomes a bridge between the animal kingdom and humanity, unraveling mysteries and forging connections that vanish with the first light of day. This fleeting gift offers a glimpse into the hidden lives around us, leaving the bearer with stories that defy belief and a longing for the next century when the comet might just choose them again.